Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to do a checkup on my project Lip-A-Thon. So let's go ahead and get started. What I do, I have joined some other ladies who, my friend, I think it was Amy Melissa, who started this, or is one of the people that started it. I'm sorry, I don't remember who all. There's not a whole lot of us doing this. And I don't believe this is part of the Fantastic Ladies. This is just, it's not. This is just something that we're doing. I will I will link Amy's video, her channel down below. But anyway, it was her video that got me started into this project pan. Now what she does is she randomly selects. She will select 3 new lipsticks and lipsticks she has not used yet, and then, or it's lip products for her. I think she chooses between new, then 3 used ones, and then she tries to have a gloss in there. She tries to, you know, pick things, but she does it randomly. I go in and just pick mine. I don't have a huge collection of lipsticks like I used to, so I'm just picking mine. And I just want, the reason I'm doing this Lip-A-Thon is I want to make sure I've used every one of my lipsticks and given them some attention. So on this, I use each lip product 5 times, and then we roll it out. So let me go over what I had for this month, and I find using it 5 times is working out great. I'm getting use on everyone. So all 6 of my lips, I've got 6. All 6 rolling out of my project. So first, I had a little mini MAC lipstick. It's a matte one. It's Ruby Woo. So I will show you that. It's really pretty. So we can roll that one out. This one is an older one because it's a Becca. No, Becca's no longer in business. This lipstick is in Taupe. I really enjoyed that. Perfect shade for fall. Next, I'll grab this one. It is a Charlotte Tilbury and Supermodel. This is my favorite Charlotte Tilbury. I think one of my favorites that I have. Supermodel. And then this little mini is Besame in 1946. Now I like that red so well, I've added it to another project, so I'm going to keep using that a few more times, so we might see that on my lips as well. Next, I have a liquid lipstick, a Huda Beauty Demi Matte in Provocateur. I love that shade. That kind of smoky brown, not brown, well, brownish purple. It's a real pretty shade. And then I have an Ofra lip gloss in Love. And it's pink, or a peachy pink, but it looks silver. It looks silver on your lip. Silver. It looks clear on your lips. I haven't had anything to eat yet today, so if I start making weird, that's probably why. I probably need to eat. But that's what I used this past month. And please ignore my hair. It's wet. I just got out of the shower. I'm not as well put together today. And my earring just fell. I just felt that. My goodness. Crazy day, huh? And it's raining here. It's a rainy day. There we go. Clean that off. Now, let me show you what I have chosen to work. Here we go. I thought, did I get enough? Okay. This time around, I've chosen 2 liquid lips. I went through all of my lipsticks yesterday, cleaned everything, rearranged everything to see what all I actually do have. Because when I moved in, I just kind of put stuff up. And now I'm going back and just kind of going through my things. But my first liquid lip I have is this Too Faced Melted Matte. And this is in Pumpkin Spice. And it's what I have on my lips today. I do I really need to use these before they go bad because these have a little age on them. This one and then my second one is in Cinnamon Bear. That is such a pretty color. Everything smells fine. There we go. Next, I have a gloss. This gloss is a Jeffree Star. And the color, let me see if I can read it. Magnifying glass. Crystal Kiss. Crystal Kiss. So I try to add a gloss every time. I don't own a lot of glosses. Oh, this is going to be pretty for doing Halloween looks. It's very glittery. I don't know if you can see that. Very glittery. I don't really smell anything. Okay, and next I have 3 bullet lips because I prefer a bullet lipstick over a liquid lipstick, but I have no problems with liquid lipsticks. I'm just saying I prefer a bullet. I'm going to start with this. This is was a limited edition. It's MAC Selena in Dreaming of You. It's a beautiful shade. I figured this would be real pretty this time of year. It's almost like Cinnamon Bear, but this one has more red in, or more of a burgundy than the Cinnamon Bear. Next, I have a little tiny sample. This is from Melt, and this is in Frisky. Oh, and that's pretty brown. So it's right there. And then last, I have a Merit lipstick in Fashion. I like these. Very pretty packaging. And it looks like I might have used that once. Maybe. It's got embossing on the side that says Merit. Oh, this is beautiful. There we go. It's a little sheerer than I was expecting. But the Merit. So, that's going to be my color story for the next however long it takes. Probably, I think we do the updates the first week of the month. So, yeah, there we go. That looks like my color story, so I'm looking forward to that. So, guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to do something like this, I would absolutely... what is the word I'm looking for? See, I haven't had anything to eat. I would recommend it. It's a great way to use your lipsticks, whether you have a YouTube channel or not. Just go through and pick lipsticks and say, okay, I'm going to use them this many times, then I'll roll it out. And that way you get use out of all of your products. That's why I'm doing this. So if you did enjoy this, please give me a thumbs up. That really helps my algorithm. It helps people to find my channel, and that means a whole lot to me. So if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you've been watching me for a long time, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Have you tried any of these lipsticks? Do you have any of these lipsticks? Let me know. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.